Right now we're going to Nyhavn. There's some stores both sides, and we're right now gonna enter a store. Guys, right now we entered like a store of like magnets. I'm gonna show you guys around. There's like magnets of like this is dinner magnet that has all the Nordic countries. This is like a flag magnet. You guys see? This is these type of magnets, and then there's Denmark one, and then there's like Nordic one. There's like these boxes. Then there's more magnets. If you guys see this one, there's one of Nyhavn. There's one here. There's like another one of here that's like this. There's a bicycle one. There's a picture of Denmark and then how cold and hot it is. I'm gonna ask my parents if we can get that one. I'm gonna hold it for now. And my brother really like this bells. Let's see. Yeah. There's also a Viking one. Do you guys see? Like this. It's like 3D. Like this. Okay. I think we're gonna. And there's also one says I love Copenhagen. You guys see? It looks so cool. Guys, we just went out of the store. Right now we're walking closer to Nyhavn. There's two big like I don't know, maybe like tower thingies. They're like greenish, and then there's bricks. There's more stores here. Restaurants and some other stores. And like yeah. We found this place close to Nyhavn, but like it's kind of like place in the middle, and then there's everything around it. So like it's basically kind of like the central square, but like yeah. Now we finally reached Nyhavn. It's super beautiful in the day view. So like it's super nice. There's different types of houses and buildings and restaurants and hotels here, and it's super really big, and there's also some boats on the sides, and it's super nice. As you can see, there's also some colorful houses and also restaurants. They look super nice, and like they're like really nice for like if you wanna just eat and then you wanna look at a river view. So like yeah. Guys, right now I'm sitting right now. If you guys see the canal right there and like the boat there, and then there's like a water view. Super nice here. So I'm just chilling. We're gonna check how the view looks like at night, because it looks super really good at day. Right now we're in the central square. We're gonna go to Nyhavn and see the night view, and I hope it's super nice as it was at the daytime. But right now you guys can see the view of the central square at nighttime of all the lights. And it looks really nice, because like yeah. And it's like when you're in those action movies, and they look like super cool. Guys, right now we're in Nyhavn, and it looks super nice as how they look in Christmas with all the lights and the hearts that are hanging with vines and like that. Guys, if you see, there's a big boat there. Then you can see the entire Nyhavn right here. There's like boats on the sides, and then there's buildings. My favorite part is to watch like everything. and like walking around this area to like see the night view and all the restaurants and the other stuff. So like it looks very nice. It's not that colorful as the daytime, but it's still pretty nice. I really like the lights. And like, yeah, everybody's chillaxing. They're eating dinner, I guess, because it's nighttime, you know. And like, yeah. And I really like this area. So like, right now we're getting some churros because we are now gonna chillax by eating some churros because I'm like super duper hungry and I really want to eat something and chillax. So we're getting some churros with ice cream and chocolate syrup with sprinkles, and now we're gonna go home. So bye.